If you're new to embroidery, let me guide you through some tips and techniques to help you get started. Before I start an embroidery project, I consider where I would like my creation to live. Have you ever worked hard on a project only to find you don't know what to do with it upon completion? Finishing a project is an accomplishment to be celebrated. Your embroidery skills will shine all the brighter, even those early stitches, when you craft with purpose and find a place of value for your hard work. Some simple ideas could be to frame your finished design in the hoop, embellish a plain tea towel, decorate a small bag, make a greetings card, or even stitch on some woven clothing. There are moments I just need to put needle to fabric. Maybe I'm visualizing a new colour combination or practicing a new stitch I can't quite understand yet. This is when it's helpful to have a little scrap of fabric as a trial space to have a go without worrying about perfect formation or lots of unpicking. Embroidery thread, also known as floss, is made of 6 twisted strands. We often use different numbers of strands for stitches in a project. To get the quantity of strands you need, simply split the threads at the end and separate, sliding one finger along the middle while holding the floss taut. When you're ready to stitch, thread the needle and tie a little knot at the end. If you're going to keep your embroidery on the hoop after you've finished, you can simply cut the fabric about 5 centimeters larger than the hoop. If you're coupling your embroidery with a sewing project, go ahead and cut out the appropriate pattern piece before you start to embroider. To follow an embroidery pattern, you will need to print off the pattern page as a template to trace onto your fabric. Check your printer is set to print at 100% scale. To transfer a design onto your fabric, there are 2 good options. Firstly, you can tape your printed pattern onto a sunny window, then tape your fabric on top and use your chosen marking tool to trace the pattern. Alternatively, you can use a light box. This is a much easier way since you can trace on a flat surface and the consistent light makes the pattern more visible to trace. Remember to be kind to yourself as you learn and enjoy the process. If you'd like to stitch this free heather pattern, you'll find the link in the description below. It's my little gift to you. Wishing you so much joy on your new journey in embroidery.